Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica and thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you taking a couple minutes out of your day to spend with me. So today's video is going to be like a little bit more simple because I do have some, by the way, I just want to show off my nails. I do have like some ideas for some more complex looks coming soon, but I think I need a little bit more planning ahead of time. Like I don't want to just try to do it all in one day and like forget to do something. So I'm gonna like try to like give myself some time to think about that and plan it ahead a little bit. So then I thought I would just do like a fun pop of color graphic liner moment today. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in here and just do a quick video for you guys in case you wanted something like quick and fun to do for your summer makeup. So yeah, that is today's video. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera and I will be right back. Hey guys, so I've been using this, I think it's strawberry shortcake, no, strawberry cheesecake from Glisten Cosmetics for my liner. And I just did this side. I can zoom you in a little. It's kind of streaky, so hopefully you can't really tell. Actually, from what I'm seeing right now on camera, it looks like you can't even tell, so that would be ideal if it just looks perfect. Because honestly, like, I'm sure when I'm walking around and stuff, because I'm going to go to the thrift store today to pick up my stuff that I dropped off, to see if they bought anything from me. So anyways, I'm sure it's not going to be that big of a deal if it's streaky. I mean, I really don't care. I just wanted it to look perfect, but this is also just like a quick little last second look, so I don't have any like high expectations. And remember, like when you're doing this look, to actually not move around your lid so much. I just did it to this other eye where like you blink or you like look a certain way and then your liner ends up like up here. It's risky business. So I'm just like, when I try to do my liner, I try to like do a little bit of symmetry math, you know? You just kind of gotta guess. I really don't have any other advice other than you just kind of gotta guess. Like, I hate to be that person. For some reason, I've just always like been good with doing straight lines and like circles and stuff by hand, like freehand, you know? So that's what I'm sticking to. And I've been watching Glow Up. I don't think I talked about that yet. God, now it's hot as hell in here, you guys. As soon as I turn off my AC for this video, it like starts getting hot. Whew. Okay. Let me fill in the rest of this and then I will talk about Glow Up. Hey guys, so I finished my other eye. Sorry, I just got a text. Deep breaths. So I finished my other eye. I added this thingy, and then I was about to put on my Akua lashes from the brand Lena Lashes, but I think I'm gonna do a little something extra, so you could totally leave the look how it is right now. And I think I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, the products that I used on my face are just the normal products that I use, all Rare Beauty, like literally just 3 products, and that's it. So that's what I've been doing, and it's literally in like every single video I posted. Not like every video I posted, but like it's my new freaking skin moment and it's working for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it. So just wanted to mention that in case anyone is like, you skipped your skin. I can link a video up here where you can watch that. So now I'm gonna add, you can totally like leave the look like this and add your lashes and be done and add a little gloss and you're good. So I'm gonna add a little bit more liner on top just to like make it a little different. So you can totally skip this step and just watch me do it if you want to stick around. And yeah, so yeah, we're gonna make this look a little bit more fun. Let me just put my pink aside because we're done with her. And I'm just going to pour my water into this cap, and I poured way too much as usual. So pouring some back out. I love my nails, you guys. I painted them at like 12 o'clock at night last night. I don't know what it is. Like, for some reason, whenever I do my nails, it's like the best feeling in the morning. Like, if I have my nails, if I do them late at night or something, or not late at night, if I just do them before I go to bed and then they're like dry when I go to sleep so they don't get all smudgy and stuff when I'm sleeping, then I just love waking up with a fresh set. I'm like, oh my god, who did my nails? Oh yeah, that was me. It's no big deal. I'm like Hilda Suarez over here. I could do it all, honey. So yeah, let's go ahead and go in with the white first. I'm already making a little bit of a mess, and that's okay, as long as it doesn't land on my clothes. So yeah, we're going in with the white. I hope it doesn't turn pink because I didn't wash my brush super well. But we're doing what we gotta do. You know what? I'm ordering a new brush soon so I can have like multiple going at once. I didn't really think this through. Okay. Can you even tell that it's all patchy? Let's just ignore it if you can, okay? So I'm just gonna do little emphasis underneath like that. Oh no, honey, I have a smudge on my mirror and it's really annoying to look at. Oh no, honey, it's really gonna turn pink now. Okay. Why don't I just let this freaking dry for a second instead of freaking out? Okay, where's my fan? Patience is key, you guys. Don't expect it to all come together. It's not gonna come together till the end. And that brings me to talking about the show that I was watching, Glow Up. If you guys weren't subscribed to me last year, you didn't hear me talking about Glow Up, the show on Netflix. It's like a British UK show or something. I'm not super versed with my geography. Okay, anyways, so I really love this show. It got me super inspired last year. Sorry, I'm not sitting up very well. I just started the new season. Please don't tell me who wins if you know. Please don't tell me. I'm really rooting for a few people at this point. I kind of don't want to say it. I'm just going to say it. Please don't ruin it for me if you've already seen it. I really want Dolly or Riley to win. Or I also really like this other girl that I can't think of her name right now. I like Craig too. You know what? I like all of them. I'd be happy if any of them won, but honestly, I'm rooting for Riley or Dolly. I'm wishing I didn't get so much pink in this white, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure it will go away. Yep, it went away in 1 second. I didn't mix it into the pan, you guys. Don't worry. So this is definitely going to take 2 layers at least. It's gonna look a little chunky. Oh my lord, what is that? What is that?
Oh my lord, what is that? What is that?
Underneath. Oh my. Did you guys see that? What the hell was that? Oh no, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna add a lot more onto my brush because it's way too watery and that's not gonna help us. Okay, perfect. This is what I wanted. We're gonna let it dry. Stay, you stupid brush. So yeah, what have you guys been up to? Have you watched any new shows? In my last video when I was like re-watching it back, I was like, oh yeah, I totally mentioned how I've been watching new shows, but then I only mentioned like, I didn't really even mention a show, you know? So I started watching this show called Generation. I would recommend. It was kind of similar to Euphoria, if you liked Euphoria. I liked it. It was cute, really cute characters. Like, I'm not gonna give any spoilers, but like, I swear, during certain parts, like, there were characters that were like going through some stuff, and I was like I felt like I related to them, even though I've never gone through that in my life. Like, the acting was just really good. I don't know what it was, but I fell in love with all those characters. Oopsie. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this other white, and then we will be back to finish up the look. Okay, so I did the white, as you can see. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, we're going to dip into the black. This one is called Coke Float. Sorry, I'm obsessed with my nails, and I'm just not even going to apologize for it at this point. Okay. Hopefully this isn't too watery. Let's try it. steady hand. I think we're running the risk of looking a little Dalmatian-y because I made this so tiny. But you know what? I'm just gonna like, gotta practice up my intricate artist hand because school is coming back around. I'm sorry. Why did I even mention anything? I shouldn't have said anything. I'm sorry. Okay guys, we're almost done. Sorry about that. My camera ran out of card or whatever. Okay. Going back into the black, and we're gonna do some more tiny little cow prints. Just take your time. Makeup is not supposed to be rushed. It's a process. And while I'm at it, excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and cover all the like mistakes I made with spots. I've done a cheetah look in the past, so if anyone is interested, I can do an updated cheetah look. I can also link that video if anyone is interested. I'm just trying to do a variation of big and small ones because you don't want it to look too perfect. You want it to look random. I feel like over a lot of years I've kind of perfected the randomness of it, of just cow print, plants, anything natural, any animal print. There's a balance of finding what is random and also what works for you and what space you have. So that's what I did. We're gonna go ahead and let her dry and I will be back to do the lash. Okay guys, oh my god, my voice cracked. Oh my god, I haven't spoken in a whole minute or two. Holy crap. Okay, so I did my freaking lashes and they took forever, but I finally got these babies on. I had to take off the glue, I had to rip off the old glue, go back to, because I tried to use lash glue, you guys, and it was a mess. Why do I even try? Why do I even do that? I hate lash glue. So I use the Kiss clear lash glue. Honestly, like at this point I just use it on top of like looks that I don't have black eyeliner underneath, so it's clear, but you're not supposed to put like it on top of it on top of eyeshadow, if that makes sense. But I just do it because you know, I don't have anything else to stick my lashes on with. So this is how it's looking. Let's zoom you guys in. I freaking think it's stunning. I love it. Bitch, I'm a cow, moo. Oh my god, I just threw my fan. Okay, so I also made a TikTok, so I would really appreciate it if you wanted to check that out and just follow me over there in general, because I'm going to be posting stuff over there first. If you want the sneak peeks, if you want the first look, girl, then you better head over to my TikTok and also my Instagram, because if you, like, for some reason don't want to put on your notification bell on YouTube, you can also constantly check my Instagram stories, like, and see if I have uploaded a video. I usually let you guys know with a post and a story. So yeah, if you want to be updated on all that, follow my TikTok and my Instagram. I will leave them here and also at the end of the video. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be here next time. And also, if you liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you liked it. I was just watching Keisha's video the other day, and she was all like, it helps me a lot, helps the algorithm, it's free. Like, there's just a list of things. Helps my engagement, so I would really appreciate it if you did that. It might help me get a couple new subscribers, you know. So I would really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever you guys are up to. And yeah, I hope you're having the most amazing day. I just am living my full fantasy over here. Sorry about it. Sorry, not sorry. Thank you so much for joining me today. Love you. bye. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I can post like some more intricate videos. Like I said, this was just like little spur of the moment kind of thing. So okay, for real now, I'm leaving. Bye. Love you.